favorite constable, Nabil Shaikh, and we are live and alive. First day of early voting. We're here at James Reese Career and Technical Center, and there's been lines since 7 o'clock in the morning. I believe countywide we've already hit well over 25,000 voters. Our record is at 27,000, and I think we're going to break that record today on our first day of voting. And you know what happens when a lot of people come out and vote? That means Democrats win. So let's keep this trend going up, and let's spank these Republicans at the polls. See you all at the top, and make sure you vote from the top all the way down to the bottom. Vote blue all the way through and re-elect your favorite constable, Nabil Shaikh. Hey, what's going on, everybody?
Jason Joseph. Remember that name? Jason
You want some? You good?
Joseph. Remember that name? Edward Krennick. Remember that name? Edward Krennick. Remember that name?
Re-elect your favorite constable. It's hot out here. Yes, it is. Trying to give some relief
The orange one.
to our poll watchers. Doesn't matter if you're Democrat or Republican. Everybody's out here working for their candidates. So we just want to make sure that everybody stays hydrated and cool. Re-elect your constable.
Thank you, Nabil. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Jason Joseph. Remember that name? Edward Krennick. Remember that name. Thank you for voting. Have a good day. Thanks.
Think of
Yes, sir.
voting.
Please.
Would y'all like some?
कुमार अच्छा
एक और खा ले यार,
आजा
वजन नहीं बढ़ेगा तो।
It's a nice Golaganda. Okay, thank you. In Pakistan we say Golaganda.
गोला गंडा, shaved ice. US में हम बोलते हैं shaved ice. or
Shaved
snow
eye.
cone.
Oh, very
Snow
good.
cone या shaved ice.
Shaved eye. Okay.
जी जी.
When we are going in the school, 8 time, after the school finish, we go to a lot of the Golaganda people are
Jason
sailing outside the
Joseph.
school.
Remember that name? Jason Joseph.
Raman
Remember
bhai?
that name?
याद है आपको पाकिस्तान में स्कूल छूटता था गोलागंडे वाले खड़े
Edward
होते थे
Krennick.
हमारे लाल हो
Remember
जाते
that
थे गोला घंटे खाते
name?
थे।
हाँ
और आपको वो
Edward
दोराजी में
Krennick.
कराची में बड़े बड़े
Remember
गोला
that
घंटे खुल गए।
name?
हाँ मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ कि स्कूल टाइम के अंदर मुझे अभी आप
बड़ी मजा आ गया। हाँ